This is Vehicle Detector, the brave master that moves smoothly on the ground, and with a little bit charge, it can be the Smart Air Explorer too. With the HD real-time images transfer, the way that moves forward will be like this and this. And as it becomes an Air Explorer, and it will show you a whole new sky like this too. Just title the gravity sensing watch, and we can easily control the detector or explorer to move smoothly on the ground or fly freely in the air. Next, we're gonna do the installation. For the Air Explorer, attach the parts as the marks shown. And then install the protective guards. Then install the wheels to the vehicle body and finish the vehicle detector's installation.